Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil for a Lexus ES 350. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You will need a socket wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and quantity of new engine oil, typically around 6½ quarts, along with a new oil filter. Safety glasses and gloves are also highly recommended. Once your vehicle is safely elevated and secured, locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the old engine oil to flow out completely. This process can take several minutes, so be patient. Once drained, clean the plug and reinstall it securely, but do not over-tighten. Now locate the old oil filter, often near the engine block. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being prepared for any residual oil. Clean the mounting surface where the filter sits. Take your new oil filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket, and then hand tighten it until it's snug. Give it about 3/4 of an additional turn with the wrench. Finally, using a funnel, carefully pour the specified amount of new engine oil into the oil fill port. Start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then shut it off. Check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Always dispose of your used oil responsibly at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.